The grandma and grandkids took a trip down memory lane to the 100-year-old market. Built in 1904, 1905, it replaced the old market that had burned down. Grandma reminisced while the grandkids enjoy shopping and sampling the local delicacies. The grandma and grandkids walked to the center of the market to the Tian shrine.
Of the sea shrine.
People often come here, pray for protection during travel, business, and health. The shrine showcases the lifestyle, culture, and unity of the Teochew Chinese community, passed down through generations. The 100-year-old Ban Mai Market in Chachoengsao has existed since before grandmother was born. Between 1855 and 1904, it was a maritime hub for the exchange of agricultural products such as sugarcane, sugar, and rice. There were white and red mail boats and double-decker boats traveling between Paed Riew, Chachoengsao, and Bangkok. The first pier was opposite the Chinese temple. The second pier was at the mouth of the Ban Mai Canal. The third pier near Tian. Grandma and grandkids come to relive old memories at this century-old market. A market with a history that reminds grandma of their childhood. Grandma reminisce and enjoy themselves. Grandkids shop, sample food, and take photos for their social media. The market has 3 entrances above along the Ban Mai Canal. Opposite the Chinese temple, in the middle near the Taptin goddess shrine, and the bridge over the Ban Mai Canal. Below along the Ban Mai Canal at the Ban Mai 100-year-old market site. Ban Mai is a market with ready-to-eat food, both savory and sweet, vegetables and fruits, snacks and toys from grandma's era, many Thai and Chinese dishes, cakes and luncheon, type of Thai dessert, fragrant, sweet and delicious, collagen, crispy outside, soft inside, sweet, savory and salty. Mildly sweet, not fishy, ทอดมันไข่และbread. Another Thai savory, chewy and delicious. Gotta try Jamie, delicious, not salty, sour with pork filling, and steamed rice for dumplings are all so good. Plum soda, so refreshing, sea base with big strips, Auntie Blue's John, worth trying. Grandma and grandkids reminisce about the old days at the 100-year-old market. A market with a history dating back to grandma's childhood. Grandma reminisces and enjoys the memories. Grandkids shops, taste unhappily, takes photos for content.